All right, so now we're going to take a quick look at the gold and the silver market. We're going to look at the daily charts, and that will be let me just move this out of the way, and that will be, I think, a good look at the difference of what we have in gold and silver. Here is the gold cyclical patterns in here on the daily charts. So you can see there are three visible complete harmonic families, as we call them. You see the yellow oval here gives you the big downward area. So this is where you get the risk of the biggest correction. Same thing right over here, and you see how it came down into this area. And there's another one out over here. This dashed silver line is silver, and it overlays similarly within the harmonic family. However, it's really in a different trend. Note the downtrend that you have here in the gold market. And when it broke support over here, we warned and warned about it, and you had this pretty sizable break where it fell down over here into 1670 area, and then had this rally right over here. Momentum is still negative. Note the slim ribbon PO in all of these negative signals. This is a proprietary indicator which gives you great sense for market condition, and this is available again to our level 4 members. This is now getting into this little minor cycle dipping area. And when that's over with, you probably get another pop to the upside. We've been projecting a move up here to about 1760, maybe even closer to 1800, sometime before we get into this next corrective period. So there's a window of time in here of, we'll just call it maybe 4 to 8 trading sessions where there could be an uptick. After that, you're probably going to get more into this corrective period here, and there will be a better time maybe again out over here, but that doesn't come until mid-late April over there. So we get a little period here where we could get an uptick, but then the risks will increase again. Now you see the downtrend there. Look at silver right in here, and you could see this has the complex patterns in it, by the way. And this, though silver is weak, is in an uptrend, and you can see that upward trending channel right in there. Those of you that use linear regression, you could put a linear regression channel on here, and you would see that all of the data during this time frame is pointing slightly to the upside, and you could see where the projections are. So again, we're getting into this period right over here where gold bottoms and likely to tick up, and silver bottoms in the minor cycle. So we're projecting, and we're going to say trade on for the short term, that, and I have a trade on that I've been increasing right now, that we're going to get a pop up in here to about 27 to 2760 sometime in this next 4 to 8 trading sessions. And again, this is more positive, much more positive than gold is, and the intermediate patterns on silver are far more positive than gold. And silver could actually get a pretty significant move up out over here into this April-May period also. So we're expecting a rally, a minor pullback, and then this period over here where the next cycle is rising might be the strongest period of all, where it tests this area of about 30.5. So we're looking for rally, pullback, rally, and like I said, trade on, and I have the trade on. So I think silver is in a position where it can start to move up pretty soon. If we start to get the expected little pullback in yields, that's going to cause the dollar to soften a little bit. And though we think the dollar is not done going up either, we think, again, this window right in here might be good for a short-term trade in the silver market. Again, we do not like gold. I don't really like the trade in there. Gold and silver will probably go up together, but I think the risk rewards are better for the upside on silver on the short term.